In this video, I'll show you how to install all 69 mods to turn GTA San Andreas into a next-gen remaster with improved graphics, lighting, and gameplay in 2026. Check my video description for this mod. Check the download option. Once the mod download done, I click on the zip and select WinRAR and select extract to. Before installing the mod, right click on the game and select open file location. Backup your game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the extracted mod folder. Open this application. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes option. Select the language and select OK. Password type 123 and click on OK. Create a desktop shortcut you don't want to check and select next. Install. After installation done, uncheck this launch option and select finish. Now right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Scroll down, find this run admin for ENB. Right click and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through this newly created shortcut. Run as administrator and select as. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.